Is pinaflor.com the next go-to fashion destination or just another cleverly disguised scam store? With countless online boutiques popping up overnight, it's getting harder to separate the legit ones from the risky traps, and pinaflor.com fits right into that gray area. On the surface, it looks like a trendy women's fashion retailer offering dresses, tops, outerwear, and two-piece sets at affordable prices. But when you start peeling back the layers, some serious red flags show up. First off, the domain was only registered on April 2, 2025, which makes it a very new website with no real reputation. Even more concerning, the product images being used are identical to those found on other shady websites, strongly indicating they might be stolen or copied and not reflective of what you'll actually receive. The site also displays fake-looking company information that doesn't check out, which adds to the suspicion. On top of that, they use aggressive sales tactics like countdown timers. Fake people are viewing these messages, and pop-ups claiming others are buying items in real-time. Classic pressure tricks to push impulsive purchases. Most importantly, there are no verified customer reviews or ratings on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, which is unusual for any serious business. While there's no official report of it being a scam yet, the combination of these shady signals should be a big caution flag for any shopper. If you're thinking about buying from pinaflor.com, be careful, it may not be worth the risk.